Okay, so I just discovered a tool that turns my videos into professional quality articles in just one click. So here, if you paste a YouTube video or channel URL here, it will create an article like this. It also has this analytics and insights that will make your video into a blog article. So you can repurpose videos in one click, and it works with any video. It's fast, it's 30 plus languages supported, and AI that writes like a pro. So this is structured for readability and SEO that works automatically. If you want to repurpose your videos into a blog article, so this is the tool that will help you. So you can just use my link and try this for free. You can also add screenshots, smart links, and beautiful CTAs. So you can publish anywhere: Wix, Go, Zapier, WordPress, Blogger, High Level, WordPress, everywhere. So you can just automate your workflow and send directly to your website or elsewhere. And you can also have these fully customizable templates. So you can save time, save money. And the pricing of video to blog is just, so for starter, you can have $14 per month. And for the pro plan, you have $39 per month. For business, it's $69. So this is way cheaper than hiring a freelancer. So with monthly plan, the starter starts at 19, the pro starts at 49, and the business starts at 99. So this is video to blog, and just try it using my link. Bye.